back to the channel, guys.
Welcome to all new people.
Yes,
What are you doing?
to the new people.
I really felt.
So today we have come up to the Rock of Dunamase, and it's basically the ruins of an old fort from like the 9th century, and wow.
A lot bigger than I thought it was going to
Wow, it's amazing. So it's actually just down the road from where we were glamping, which you would have seen in our last video. So we said we'd just take the afternoon to come out, and I'm so glad we did. It's amazing.
It's huge.
So yeah, we're going to go have a look. It's in County Laois, by the way. Very close to Port Laois, Shad Valley, that area. Definitely worth a trip if you're ever out this way.
Do it.
Stuck, Bob? So we've just made it up to the top of the hill, and we're standing in what we can only assume is the ruins of the castle that would have been in the middle of the fort. And like Ashley was saying earlier on, he's down there. Ashley was saying earlier on, it's probably one of the most breathtaking places we've seen in Ireland so far, because it's not that well known and we've not seen photos and stuff of it before, so we really didn't know what to expect. So my cousin's partner, he's big into history, and he was just telling us that like all these rocks behind us and stuff, they were blown up by Cromwell. The original structure was blown up by Cromwell.
He didn't want the Irish people getting it back.
Pretty cool. Yeah, so he was saying that like Cromwell, the original structure was blown up by Cromwell, and then they tried to rebuild in the 1700s, but he said it didn't kind of
work at all.
And another fact, they filmed Darby O'Gill and the Little People here, if you've ever seen that. Didn't know that until Lorcan. He's a bundle of knowledge.
He knows everything.
Could make a good tour guide here. Make a bit of money out of it. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name's Ollie, and
this is my godson Ollie. He's come on a little adventure with us today, haven't you all? So I've just driven about 10 minutes from the Rock of Dunamase to Timahoe Round Tower. Yeah, so close and so beautiful. It's quite similar to the round tower that you would have seen in one of our Glendalough videos.
Very, very similar.
Yes. So yeah, we're going to have a look. So where we are now is actually the remains of an old monastery from the 9th century, and it was actually burnt down in I think the year 919 AD. Crazy.
All this looks like that was filled in, because there's a pillar here, and if you look at the wall, it stretches back with the same design. And there's also loads of nails going through the middle, going up, and I don't know why.
Weird.
This is class. Does it say over here?
See the art and stuff as well.
Yeah, it's the same over here.
That's crazy. So I'm not sure if we mentioned it in our Glendalough video, but with a monastery you always had your round tower, because the round towers were built to keep, like, for the monks to keep their chalices and their gold and their
Protection.
protection from the Vikings. So if you look at the tower, you can see the first door is actually probably about 12 feet up, maybe
More 15 foot.
15 foot up,
18 foot.
and it basically, they used to have a ladder, and then they'd get into it, they would and they'd pull the ladder up, so when the Vikings came to try raid them, they wouldn't get in. So here's a quick size comparison. There's Lee,
There's the door.
there's the first door.
We're 15 foot up.
Crazy. And here's a little mini,
Lighthouse. Or not yet, round tower.
a lighthouse. Does that look like a lighthouse to you,
Well,
Lee?
light in it, it could be a lighthouse. Yeah. How are we?
That was pretty cool.
Put on your belt, please.
Sorry, we're not going anywhere just yet.
Put on your belt, please.
Okay, sorry.
Safety first. Now. That was fun.
That was a really good day out. Like, out of it all, the Rock of Dunamase, oh my god.
Blew me away.
Like, how did we never know about this before?
It's gonna sound kind of ignorant, but I always thought that, like, Laois was just like an irrelevant county. There's nothing actually in it, and yeah, thanks for proving me I'm wrong.
Like, I feel like this is what we're trying to do. We're trying to see as much of Ireland's, like,
Unexplored places.
yes, like the secret places that no one really knows about. Like, supposedly the Rock of Dunamase is known, but as Irish
didn't
people we
hear
don't know.
nothing about it.
Tourists maybe, but as Irish people we just don't know about all these hidden wonders and stuff. So yeah, if you are ever passing through Laois, definitely go to the Rock of Dunamase. It will actually blow you away. And you can stop off at the round tower too. It's only, what, 10-minute drive?
10 minutes, eh? Not too far.
Not too far. So now we are going to drive back to the campsite, which is only another 10 minutes away too, so it's all very close to one another.
Have a bit of food, have a few drinks,
Oh yeah,
have a little bonfire.
Lee wants to watch football.
Come on, watch football. As always, like, subscribe, and what's that? It goes ding 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 ding.
Nody bell!
That's the one, the nody bell.
Yeah, make sure you hit that nody bell because you will be notified every time we put up a brand new video, which is every Wednesday and every Saturday. And we will see you in the next one.
Peace.
Bye.